So help me God.
So help me God.
The president begins a new term with the grand promises of what he intends to achieve for the people. In the next 5 years, the Jubilee administration says it will double the number of Kenyans under the NHIF cover from 6.8 million to 13 million people.
Over the next 5 years, my administration will target 100% universal healthcare coverage for all Kenyan households. This vision will be driven by a complete reconfiguration of the National Hospital Insurance Fund and reform of the laws governing private insurance companies.
The president also says his party will provide Kenyans with affordable housing and enact policies that will enable every working family to own a decent home.
That is why over the next 5 years, my administration will move to create 500,000 new homeowners. My administration will focus on attracting from both public and private sectors the injection of patient, low-cost capital into the housing sector.
In his second term, the president is promising to create more jobs, and this will be done partly by giving subsidies to manufacturers.
To achieve this leap, I have directed that with the effect of 1st December 2017, the power tariffs charged to manufacturers will be reduced by 50% between the hours of 10 a.m. and 6 a.m. This in line with our policy of a 24-hour economy.
With the country having faced food shortages and severe drought, especially this year, the government is promising to increase food production in the second term by improving irrigation and land use.
We shall take steps to address idle arable land ownership and utilization. We shall take steps to encourage and facilitate large-scale commercial agriculture to help diversify our staples. And we shall redesign subsidies to the sector to ensure they target improvements in food yields and production quality. And we shall provide, together with other actors, key enablers within the farming process that will address distribution, wastage, storage, value addition of all our agricultural commodities.
The president says the government will also improve service delivery in the public sector and has put civil servants on notice.
It is not going to be business as usual. I will not allow faceless bureaucrats and functionaries to deny the public the quality of service they deserve from their government.
And it was not just for Kenyans. The entire continent stands to benefit from Kenyatta's second term. He has ordered that visitors from any part of Africa will now be able to get visas on arrival at all ports of entry. It gets even better for East Africans.
As a mark of our continued commitment to you, our brothers and sisters in the East African community, from today, you will be treated like Kenyans. Like your Kenyan brothers and sisters, you will only need your identity card. You can now work, do business, own property, farm, and if you wish and find a willing partner, you can marry and settle in Kenya.
The promises are grand, and Kenyans will be waiting expectantly for their implementation, even though some of what was promised in 2013 was not delivered. Andrew Ochieng, NTV.